Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head towards the Reels button on the side. And let's say we want to download this video over here. You click on the three dots over here and then you click on link, right? When we copy the link, now all we gotta do is to go on Google and to go on the website that is called publer.io. This simply means that you come over here, you paste the link from the video and you click download. Simple as it is. So very important is that when you scroll down here, you will find the video that we actually pasted. What is cool about this app over here, this is not a sponsored video, I should say so, but it says that there are no ads, no watermarks, no registration required. So this means you don't have to put your email or something. And also the app states that they could help you download Instagram photos, Instagram videos, Instagram stories, TikTok videos. Interesting stuff over here. I haven't used any of the other options. When the video is ready, it will be over here and then you're gonna click download. This is how it's gonna work. Simple, clear, visual. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.